Step-by-step fix, Windows 11 won't sleep. 8. Check sleep settings. Go to Settings, System Power, Battery, Screen and Sleep. Make sure both screen and sleep settings are set correctly, e.g., on battery power, put my device to sleep after X minutes, and similar for when plugged in. 2. Use command prompt to identify sleep blockers. Press Win plus X Windows Terminal, Admin, or Command Prompt, Admin. Type powercfg requests. This will list any processes or drivers preventing sleep, e.g., audio drivers, streaming apps, etc. Fix. If a process is listed, try closing the app or updating its drivers. 10. Disable wake timers. Go to Control Panel, Hardware and Sound Power Options. Click Change Plan Settings, change Advanced Power Settings. Expand Sleep, allow wake timers and set it to disable. 4. Check devices that can wake the PC. In Command Prompt, run powercfg devsecure wake _on. This shows devices allowed to wake the PC, e.g., mouse, keyboard, network adapter. Fix. Go to Device Manager, right-click each listed device, Properties, Power Management, uncheck Allow this device to wake the computer. 5. Check Multimedia Settings. In Advanced Power Options, expand Multimedia Settings when sharing media and set it to allow the computer to sleep. 6. Update display and chipset drivers. Outdated or buggy drivers may block sleep. Open Device Manager. Update drivers for display adapters, network adapters, system devices. 7. Run the Power Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Run the Power Troubleshooter. 8. Check for scheduled tasks. Some tasks like updates or scans can prevent sleep. Open Task Scheduler, look under Task Scheduler Library, Microsoft Windows for scheduled tasks. Focus on tasks with conditions like wake the computer to run this task, disable those if unnecessary. Knock BIOS UEFI and Windows updates. Make sure your BIOS UEFI and Windows 11 are up to date. Go to Settings, Windows Update to check for updates.